Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making another super simple, delicious recipe. Today I'm going to be making chocolate cashew date cookies. I'm going to be using my dehydrator. So I'm going to show you what I got going on over here. This is so easy. Everything's going to go into my food processor. And this is no sugar, no oil, whole foods. Yummy. So I've got about 25 dates. Depending on the size of your dates, you could use 20, 25. These are small, so I'm using 25. So those are going to all go in. To the dates, we're going to add a half a cup of raw cashews. And I just use the ones from Trader Joe's. They're just the pieces, and that's fine. And these are a lot cheaper. But you want to make sure that they are raw. And then a quarter cup of rolled oats. Again, I'm using Trader Joe's gluten-free oats. Then we've got 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. Great antioxidants in that, and that's going to give us the chocolatey flavor. And then we're going to use 1 tablespoon of organic peanut butter. This is from Trader Joe's too. This is all a coincidence. This is not sponsored by Trader Joe's. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon. You could add almond butter if you would like, if you have a problem with peanut butter. So that would work just as well. Just wipe this off. All right, and that's it. Then we're gonna blend this up. We're gonna pulse it for a few rounds, till everything kind of breaks down. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water just so it holds together. So just start with a little bit and then keep pulsing. So I'm just going to keep adding water till I get the consistency that I like. So you want it to start pulling away from the sides of the food processor. So I think this is pretty good. So then I have my little tray from my dehydrator. And we're going to take the blade out here. And then just using a small ice cream scoop here, you're just going to put these on your tray. So I'm just going to continue filling up my tray here. Okay, once you get them all on the little tray, you're just going to flatten them out. And it doesn't matter how close they are because we're not baking them, they're not going to spread. So you're just going to flatten them all out. Once they're all done, you're going to put them in your dehydrator at about 149 for between 6 and 8 hours. If you don't have a dehydrator, you could probably put them in your oven at the lowest setting for, I don't know, maybe 5-6 hours. I don't know, you'd have to experiment with that. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in my dehydrator. It's in my back room. And then we'll be back when these are done. And well, actually, we won't be back when these are done because that'll be way late tonight. But I had some that I made yesterday, so I will give a taste to those and show you what they look like. All right, let's try these little beauties. These are so good. They're a little like crispy on the outside, but chewy on the inside. So they're delicious. No oil, no refined sugar, they're raw. So can't really beat it. And they're chocolatey. I need a minute. These are addicting. Would be great to bring to a potluck. I mean, I take one with me to work, 1 or 2 every day, so I have them after lunch at work. Or I save them for my afternoon little slump. But they are delicious. They got some really good flavors, good texture. You got some protein in there from the cashews and the peanut butter. So you really can't go wrong with this one. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.